I probably shouldn't be telling you this, but thousands of beginners are now completing a full week's work in just 2 days using AI.
The people who move fast will make the most money from it. After making over $10 million online, I've shifted my entire focus to AI. This window of opportunity is closing fast. Today, I'm breaking down the top 4 AI business models you can start immediately, even as a complete beginner. The first business model is launching an AI faceless YouTube channel. Tools like Sora AI allow you to generate cinematic videos in seconds. People are using this to create AI music loops, aesthetic animations, and faceless storytelling channels, some of which hit millions of views. The second model, and my personal favorite, is AI commerce. You use AI to find trending products, build a store, create your ads, and launch in hours. This is the same method I used to help a complete beginner go from zero to over $100,000 in 90 days. The AI handled product research, store design, and ad creation. Third is AI affiliate marketing, especially on TikTok Shop. By using realistic AI humans created by tools like Google Flow, beginners are earning commissions. And the fourth model is AI publishing. Google's new Nano Banana tool creates full children's books with custom characters in seconds. Sellers on Etsy are already making thousands offering personalized AI-generated storybooks. If you want deeper tutorials on each model, subscribe now. I drop high-value, real-world money-making lessons every week. Your breakthrough starts today.